And we are live. And I say, welcome back to the Cable Data Science channel. This is your Wednesday after the general election in the U.S. If you're outside the U.S., this was a general election. Every 4 years we elect a president, either new or old. But that's all I'm going to say for that tonight. Okay, my sessions are about data analytics, not about politics. And that's, of course, we can also look at the numbers, but we can also analyze the results, right? Which I did do a little bit of that. I analyzed the voter turnout from 1900 to 2020, and this is a brief side note. The average voter turnout for a presidential election between 1900 and 2020 was only 58%. Pretty interesting, huh? But anyway, we're here to talk about our favorite subject. That is, the Furniture Mart data set, okay? And as always, by all means, don't be bashful. Just jump in anytime and with a comment or suggestion. Okay. Of course, everything is uploaded to a repository. There is a link to the repository in the description of the video. So let's just get started. Let's start out with our, with ChatGPT. Let's upload our data. Now, big news. Okay. Set your alarm clock, your calendar for 9 p.m. Friday evening Eastern Time. I'm going to begin a series of videos that has to do with SAS. You will learn as I learn, because I'm just beginning that journey as of this week. Okay. Let's see. We'll ignore that stuff right there. What are we looking for? Furniture. Where's our data? Is that the new improved? I thought we had a new one with, maybe not. I thought I had an updated, maybe it's this one here, 11.4, let's go with this one. Because I believe I updated the order and ship dates so to be up until like the 23 or 24 time frame. But okay. I was kind of curious. So that's right. Okay, good. Of course, I'm not sure, what is what a, well, how do we know what the ad campaign actually is? My plan is to do only 3 questions tonight, and then come back and do the other 2 on Sunday night. Keep it a little shorter on Sunday night. So, what did he do up here? Pretty simple. Pretty simple thing here. Uh, distinct market segment. Interesting. Well, here's a second thing they're calculating. Distinct customer segment regions. It's interesting using the distinct here. Well, that's a nice problem. I'm not sure if it actually answers the question or not, but calculate total sales generated by each campaign. I mean, we could, for instance, consider a market segment to be our campaign, Now, one of the interesting things about SAS, it uses a lot of SQL in the background, okay? What you'll see is there's essentially 3 ways to access the access data using SAS, and that is you can do it through a point and click environment, which you will see Friday night. You can access it to SQL. Okay, there's a lot of times when you'll do something and you go and you'll look at the code generated, and the code will be SQL. Okay, and plus it also has its own programming language. Okay, but my plan is to use the SQL until while I go back and I'll. So I'm probably not going to learn the programming by Friday night. So we'll start SQL, then we'll gradually add in the programming language as we get better at our skills. Total sales by market segment and region. Total profit by market. Well, you can see the central division is not doing well at all, is it? Well, we don't know how much was invested, do we? So we'll just see what ChatGPT says about this. Total profit, total sales. This isn't good. The central actually has a negative return on investment. South has the highest return on investment, 7.5%. South is second in home and office. Huh. Hmm. Well, we could be in for a short night. question for you. If you know how come PowerPoint presentations don't on the screen don't record from a live stream, I'd appreciate you to me, because what happens if I try to display full screen a PowerPoint presentation, all you see is a black screen. Wow. How about doing a total sales by quarter? That's nice, isn't it? That's a pretty doggone nice job, isn't it? I have to say, I do like that plot. I don't know if that's actually what the stakeholder wants, but certainly it's a nice looking plot, you know. That's a little better, isn't it? That's a little better. What about a bar plot or a column plot? actually quite nice also, isn't it? Well, this is going to be a very brief. I wasn't planning on completing these all night, but this is going so smooth. And we're in for a short session tonight, folks. Again, I want to remind you again, Friday night, set your clock to 9 p.m. We're going to begin our journey, our SAS journey Friday night. Okay, starting with buildings, starting with the setting accounts up, and then doing a little bit with some built-in data sets. Okay. Not sure what this has to do with campaign, but that's all right. Not sure that's quite what the stakeholders looking for, but you know what? That may be what they're going to get tonight. Let's just try something here. Let's see. Let's come back over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here to Quattro. Hmm. Let's do something different. Let's convert this instead to a real JS instead of PowerPoint. Let's get a little adventurous tonight and try React.js. This is essentially a let's do this. Oh, see what it is? It's got to be a lowercase, I guess. Let's see if we can see that one full size. See, the thing is, I don't know how to get these blocks and stuff out of there. That's interesting. None of the code actually showed up, did it? Let's try. I'm not really sure we really answered this question. We were missing some information. Okay, let's go look over here. We need to get rid of some of the stuff like that print campaigns, but you know what? And there you have it. Let's do a screenshot here. Okay. Let's come back over here. And let's update the screenshot. Save that. Then come back over here to, of course, like I said, if you're in the background, speak now, forever hold your peace. And you can upload the final results, the final tallies here. And again, the link to this repository is in the description, okay? And there you have it, my friends. And this is going to bring this session to a close. This is the kind of things I like. 30 nice, clean 30-minute sessions. Okay, so I'll see you again Friday night, 9 p.m.